Yesterday, guys, we were buying pound and hit the target. The price came down again and getting up again, guys. So we are still buying as long as the price stays above 1.35898, guys, and the target would be 1.36440. And guys, the next target would be, let's see what the chart takes us, and the chart takes us now. Guys, the second target would be 1.36602. Same as yesterday, guys, nothing much to change here. And guys, if the price breaks below 1.35786, guys, we will be going for 1.35392. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make on trading this bit and see you guys tomorrow.